for this code, one core of CPU. For this code class, one core of another core of CPU functions and execute the code. So if one core execute this code, means one thread is executing. If one core is working over this code, so means one thread is being executed. So as I told you that what thread means, a light sub process of a process, light sub process. Within this sub process, some lines of code. Every line is a instruction. Every line is an instruction or statement. So some lines of code. Here I have written for this 3 lines of code. Okay, these 3 lines will be considered as a thread. So as I have shown here, how many threads are running here? Threads 272 271. So 219 processes are running. Okay, under the process many threads may be. Every process may have lot of instructions, lines of code. Thread, every thread, that is part of sub process of this process. Okay, now let us see. But multi-threading means I need to get first, whenever first core executes, first thread executes, welcome. Next thread executes, welcome to India. Next, welcome to India, like that. So parallel processing. I want to get this output. So let us see how I will achieve this one. So up to here, okay. Then I want to, for multi-threading, I need to import some modules from threading module. Threading is a module in Python. Threading is module means a directory or folder. Okay. Within that, import thread class. Okay. This is the code I have written. So thread is a class, means a file which is stored in threading module. In Java, module means package. In Java, package means a folder like a directory. Threading is a module, it is a folder. Okay. So this thread class imported from this module. Now this thread class has method. So many methods are there. Join method, run method, show method, okay, start method, okay. So this thread class has the method run method. So now you need to change, okay, because now thread class has the run method. Okay, if thread class has the run method, so that run method to be overridden by this user defined class. Okay, so inheritance occurs here. So now I want to pass this thread class name as a parameter, for this ROM class. Okay, now here what happened, inheritance occurs. Inheritance occurs. Why? This thread class becomes what? Your parent class, and ROM class becomes a child class. This thread class has a built-in method run. That method will be overridden by method written here in ROM class. That's why we need to call run method. That run method actually overriding means what, you know, if parent class and child class have same method names, okay, same method signatures, that is called what? Method overriding. Otherwise we can say another manner, if parent class method is implemented, redefined in your child class ROM class, so that thread class parent class method run we are redefining here in our child class. Then after we will create the object for ROM class, and that method will be executed by object. Okay, that is the story. Now here same Sham is your child class. It become the child class for thread class. The thread class will become the parent class here. This is okay. Now you need to do what? Now we need to start these run methods. To here we need to call them, okay, we need to call these run methods by start method of thread class. Okay, let us see what happened here. Now then what happened here, the start method of the thread class, this start method of thread class implicitly runs this run method. Implicitly means without fail, without any doubt. So now let us check what is happening here. Okay, still no any multi-threading executed here. Okay, because first thread execute the first class, okay, next thread executes next class, but I need multi-threading means first line welcome, next line welcome to India, like that. Okay, then after you need to import one more module, that is from time. Okay, import sleep. This is again time is a module. Okay, means a folder. Within this folder you import sleep class. Here from this sleep class, okay, we need to pass some time. Okay, 2 minutes, like what 1 minute, 1 second. This is now again here under this you pass sleep bracket 1. Now execute the code, compile this one. See, we are getting what? Okay, what if we clearly observe this one, welcome, after that welcome to India. So somewhere welcome to India mingled here. Okay, mingled here. So threads are working but somewhat mingling. Welcome, okay, means this thread executed, so at the same time next thread executed. Okay, so we need to give somewhat space, delay in between these threads. This thread start run method, this thread start next run method. Okay, now here we need to give somewhat time delay between the threads, that is what 0.2 milliseconds. Next word, so welcome to India, welcome to India. Now there is no any mixing. So as I told you that this thread this class total line of thread means, I told you that word, a piece of code, small piece of code. How many lines of code? Every line is a statement or instruction. This line one statement or instruction. 1 2 3 4 lines of code executed under this thread. Okay, so now this 4 lines of code, it comes under a class, it is a thread. So one core of microprocessor out of octa-core processor, 8 core we have, one core executes this line of code as a thread, one core executes over this line of code as a thread. So 2 threads executing one by one. Welcome, one print statement, then another thread, another core executing this one. So there is multi-threading, multiple threads. But suppose, come here, at the end of this there is a print statement. Suppose here is a print statement, this is your print statement. One more print statement is here, that is called a text. Okay,